In this video, we are going to see how we can verify our age and get the voice chat feature and enable it on Roblox. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First of all, you need to head over to the right hand side and click on this gear icon on the browser. You click on the settings, and from here under the account info, if you have this age group as checked 21 plus, or ideally it should be of any appropriate age. If you have that checked, then fine. Otherwise, you will get this option to continue with the ID, continue with the verification for ID, or continue with the selfie to verify your age. It only takes a few seconds to verify your age. So once you have this checked, it will be shown as checked right here. So once you do that, you head over to the privacy and content restrictions. And from here, we hit communication, click on the experience chat, and you just turn on the experience chat. From here, go back and let's open up the game which has mic feature in it. I'll just write voice so that we can meet the people across, or classmates, any kind of that game that involves mic, and you play it. You must have this Roblox application installed on your laptop. If you don't, you just download it and simply install it. But I have it right here, so I'll load it. So once you have this loaded, you will have a mic button here. You just need to unmute it. So currently in this, I guess the voice chat is not enabled by the game admin, but otherwise you will see a mic here. You just need to unmute it, and if it asks you for the access of your microphone, you just enable it. You might also get the option of get voice chat, so you need to click on that. So if you want to customize any of the settings, let's say that you want to head over to the settings, what you do is just press escape on your keyboard, or you can hit the Roblox icon. You can click on the settings, and then you simply select your input and output device. So the output device is basically where you listen to the audio, and the input device is where you speak. So make sure your volume is turned up so that you can hear to that voice chat. But in this case, this one also doesn't support the voice chat. So just use your game which you're sure about that it involves a voice chat, and you should be able to enable the volume and voices here. So that's about it. That's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.